Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Exclusive review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called Xclusive. So this is the exclusive review. Right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 6 minutes long. So we'll get back to the demo video later on. Right now on the sales page it says, revolutionary AI application enables me to milk internet giant for thousands of free targeted visitors from Elon Musk's X without needing my own website or any technical skills. Started getting free traffic the same day without writing web development, graphic design, video editing, list generation. Legally siphon traffic and sales from internet giant. Zero technical skills required. Starts working from day one. Works in any niche in any country. Delivered results for 50 beta testers. 100% beginner friendly. 100% legal, moral and ethical. 100% risk free with 30-day money back guarantee. Low one-time fee. So whatever I have read so far here, whatever they are claiming, everything, every single thing, every single line, every single word, every single character which I have read so far is a lie. L-I-E, lie. Liar. Lie. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So everything which you see here, all of this, and then all of these things, everything is a lie here. You will get no traffic. You will make no money, you will get no sales, no nothing. Okay, so if you come to the sales page, I will say do not waste your time on the sales page. Sales page is far away from the reality. Okay, but by any chance you want to buy this after watching the demo video, you will find the link below my YouTube video in the description. It will be saying grab exclusive copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page, and then you can do whatever you like. So is Xclusive beginner friendly? Yes. Monthly cost? No. There's no monthly cost. However, you have to buy these things. So pay them 17 first and pay them more 197.47 for what nobody knows. Okay. So the game starts with 17, and then as usual you have to pay more money. They don't know what they are charging you for, and you will not have any idea what you will be paying for. Okay, it's all fictitious, made up, and has got nothing to do with the reality. Okay, so let's get done with the sales page, and then there's the demo video here. Now before we talk about the demo video, this is the dashboard which I can see or show you. Let me see what happens here. Half of the things don't half of the things doesn't seem to be working. Okay, so this is some kind of page builder. So you will be getting access to these pages, landing pages, which you can create. Okay, and then you have some images. You can generate some AI images. So I will leave all this for you to watch in this demo video in your free time. Maybe I can show you right now. So you can see here, this is going to generate some Twitter post content for you using AI. And what else do we have? This is the landing page, opt-in page. So you can create all these pages, and then you can create some kind of short videos. You can see some short videos which you can maybe post on Twitter, I guess. Okay, and then you can create some vertical videos for your reels, and so-called traffic is bullshit. And then that's it. That's all about the demo video, and then you only see these screens for 2 minutes. Okay, so demo is done. What I will recommend is that I will leave the link of this demo video below my YouTube video again in the description. It will be saying watch exclusive demo here. Click on that link. That link will take you to this demo video. Play it, watch it for 4 minutes, and then decide if you want to do anything with the software or not. In the end, this will not make you any single penny. This will not make you this will not give you any visitors or traffic. So no, nothing. If you buy this, nothing will happen in your life. Okay, these things like exclusive on Warrior Plus, these things will come, will go, and will come back again. Nothing will happen. They are here only to make money from you if you buy. Okay, because previously on Vampire Diaries, you can see here they had been selling to you. So they launched these kind of software and courses. Okay, so they launched these kind of courses or software to make money for themselves. And you can see the rating here is 1.9 out of 5. So ratings are pretty bad. Okay, now I have told you about the OTOs. As you can see here, that all they care about is how they can get max max amount from you. So you pay them 17, and on the sales page they only mention the minimum price, which is 17, but they don't talk about that they will ask you for 47 in the back end, they will ask you for 197 in the back end, they will ask you for 67 in the back end. So the intentions are vulnerable and not honorable. So as I said just 2 seconds ago, maybe not 2 seconds, 20 seconds ago, that these things will come, will go, and will come back again. This madness will not stop on this website called Warrior Plus. Okay, so again, in the end, if you buy this, nothing will happen. No money, no traffic, no nothing will happen. Everything is a lie here on the sales page. But you can go and watch the demo video in your free time if you want to, and after that, if you still want to buy this, go and buy from my link and make me some money. Okay, but if you want to get back to your senses, and if you want to make real money online, then real money online means skill, expertise, rinse and repeat, dedication, discipline, determination, all of those good D words, okay, which you don't have. So for now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and then I will leave you a couple of methods which I personally use to make my money online. I don't make somebody else my godfather. You know what that means? That means is nobody else can come and give me a $17 software so that I can make money. Is it realistic? Think about it. They have no relation with you or to you. You are nobody to me, I'm nobody to you, you're nobody to them. So it's no one's responsibility. Okay, nobody cares, and it's you are not my responsibility, or you are not their responsibility, that oh yeah, somebody else out of the blue has to come on this website called Warrior Plus, and magically they have to come with the magical software, that too only in $17, so that you can make money. What? Even if we put all the dots together, okay, yeah, somebody else will come, somebody else will create a software, and somebody else will help to make money. To whom? To you? Let me check. Who are you to them? My database says you're nobody to them. So I don't digest this. How can you? Okay, nobody is nobody to nobody. So how do you believe that somebody else has to come with a software for you so that you can make money? Wow. That's it for now. Okay, so if you are in your senses, you will not buy this for making money. But if you want to use these AI features and these pages and whatever, if you have your own strategy and you want to buy this, go and buy this, make me some money. Okay, but if you are here only to make money online, check out these links. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Forex trading is like this thing here: buy low, sell high, or buy high, sell low. We do this on automation by using a software. More details coming shortly. And the second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is all about working manually on YouTube and making money like me. Okay, so subscribe and like and watch the video till the end to know how to make real money using these two methods. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on Super Thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay, now we will not be doing any of this manually, because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those 2 videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those 2 videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change, these numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.